good with a gang? It's your boy GTB Quiet back with another video. I'm up at like 6:20 in the morning. I'm making breakfast. Trying to get my day started a little early so I can bust down at least like 5-6 videos for you guys.
On a whole different level, the fuck are you doing? It's time to get back in the motion. I need a promotion. Trying to get high on a whole nother dose. Money for both of us. I'm back on the road for the both of us. I just caught you 3 acres for both of us. Girl, what do you think about both of us? She said that that's crazy, that's both of us. Baby, I guess this is crazy love. I don't play around with baby love. Pressing your heart.
Right now, I'm making me some waffles. And I got the sausages on the stove. Let me flip these things over. You know how it go. So yeah, man. I want to show y'all my car a little later and let y'all know what I'm gonna end up doing to it. You know, I got the sausages over here. I got the bacon. My girl don't eat waffles or pancakes, nothing like that. So what I gotta do is make her like breakfast sandwiches. Make her some breakfast sandwiches real quick. Come on, y'all. Let's pour this together real quick. I'm about to get the counter messy and all that right now. Oh, that's gonna spill over. Anyway, thing cooking up in there. These little sausages going right here. After these sausages is done, I'm gonna make some bacon. I'm gonna toast her bread. Yeah, I ain't eating this stuff though. I ain't eating this. I'm gonna eat the what is it called? This thing moving, y'all. So I gotta move it. I gotta put it back too though. Crazy. Anyways, man, I want to ask you guys, for the people that view this video, let me know how your day is going. Let me know what's your morning routine. Mine is basically waking up. I know my hair looking kind of crazy right now, edge up all crazy. It's whatever, but anyways, I'm gonna do a video on that. Since we in quarantine right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my own hair, line my whole joint up, and y'all gonna rate me 1 through 10 in the comments below. So make sure you go ahead and hit this video. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Making breakfast. Oh, let me go ahead and get a plate for this stuff real quick. Give me a plate. Plate for her stuff real quick. These 3 sausages should be done. This one I just put in there. I'm about to throw like 2 more, 3 more in here real quick. She's still asleep. So let me go ahead and cut this up real quick. So I'm back, right? And the sausages and bacon is done. That bacon good though. It's turkey bacon. Oh yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I didn't pour way too much pancake mix inside the bowl. So I'm gonna challenge myself to eat as much as I can and do at least 300 push-ups today. At least do 300 push-ups today. But I'm gonna fill my plate up. This is the thing. This is my challenge. I'm gonna eat as much as I can. I think I want to say, let me see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 fucking waffles sitting right here, right, guys? 6, right? And then got all this. The rest of this. It's gonna probably make 3. And we got 1 in here. So I'm gonna challenge. I'm gonna see if I can eat all of it. All of it. I'm gonna try to eat all of it. Come to the bathroom because it's more light in here. So, yeah, man, look at my hair. That's crazy. Yo, quarantine really been having us look crazy out here. Crazy, right? No barbershops open. Nothing. Like, nobody ain't cutting hair. No, nothing. Like, that's crazy. We not on lockdown. I'm going to tell y'all that right now. I'm going to keep it a buck with y'all. We not on lockdown. We on lockdown, but, like, some people scared to come outside and stuff like that, but we not on lockdown. Like, they ain't making to where we got to go in the house. We got to stay in the house. Like, you feel me? It ain't like that. It ain't like that. But, yeah, man, we gonna definitely cut this hair, man. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the video later. I'm gonna do a mukbang. I'm gonna eat and talk with you guys. I'm gonna do a story time mukbang, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So, right now, let's go ahead and get this video to like 50 likes. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell for post notifications, and turn your notifications on. It's your boy GTB Quiet, and I'm out of here.
On a whole different level, the fuck is you doing? It's time to get back in the motion. I need a promotion. Trying to get high on a whole nother dose. Got money for both of us. Hop back on the road for the both of us. I just caught you 3 acres for both of us. Girl, what do you think about both of us? She said that that's crazy, that's both of us. Baby, I guess this is crazy love. I don't play around with baby love. Pressing your heart with a baby snub. Don't you try to cross me or play love. I need to eat when I wake up. Call up the plug, tell them put me a plate on my seat at the table. Your ex is so weird. You niggas be charging for nothing. What the fuck was he doing? On a whole different level, the fuck is you doing? It's time to get back in the motion. I need a promotion. Trying to get high on a whole nother dose. Got money for both of us. Hop back on the road for the both of us. I just caught you 3 acres for both of us. Girl, what do you think about both of us? She said that that's crazy, that's both of us. Baby, I guess this is crazy love. I don't play around with baby love. Pressing your heart with a baby snub. Don't you try to cross me or play love. I need to eat when I wake up. Call up the plug, tell them put me a plate on my seat at the table. Your